that just for you guys.
That was loud. That was loud.
I think they were trying to do that for others. Wow. Do you know the name of that ship?
Oh, yeah?
No. I'm trying to get the video. That's why.
That ship is good.
Yeah, now it's got to turn.
Oh yeah, I see it. A very slow. I would hate to be in front of that.
I'm totally posting this.
Yeah, dude, post it on Instagram.
And YouTube. It's too long for an Instagram video.
Yeah, but you can.
Attention everyone, please get Instagram.
Yeah.
It's the Aris. The Aris. This is in Sligo right now, through a small canal in between Oyster Island, a small island, that's this island right here, and Ross's Point.
Ooh.
The ship can barely make it through because the water is not that deep. It carries lumber, which is really cool.
Yeah.
Let's wave at them again. Come on,
Yeah,
let's get them to honk again.
Do you want to scream? You want to scream?
No, they can't hear us.
Yes, they can. Yes, they can.
They're too far away.
No. They're not. Come on. Dad, do you want to scream?
Coming in close.
Hey!
Arrest.
Hello!
Oh.
See, I told you they would hear us.
Wave, Thomas, wave.
I told you they would honk again.
Wave, that guy.
Yay, they waved. Did you get them waving? Is it one guy or two guys?
Two.
Two. Oh, yeah, now I see the second guy. Now we're looking at Wow, that boat is going so fast. I'm going to try to catch up to you get a head start, boat. Okay.
Follow my YouTube channel at Thomas Downs. It's not at, but it's just Thomas Downs. And you'll see what you get. Bye.